This is how to braid with human hair. So my model's hair is 4C. I am applying some blue magic grease to her scalp, and we're going to use some human hair bundles to do these braids. There is no synthetic hair in this braid. This is all 100% human hair. The hair I'm using is from Ywigs, from ywigs.com, and I have their loose wavy bundle. I'm going to show you in just a second, but this is the bundle, as you can see. And this is the same type of extensions that you would use for like sew-ins and stuff, but they do it in a bulk like this, so you could use it to braid. So the length is 24 inches, the color is natural black, and it's very nice and soft and bouncy. And yeah, so you don't have to straighten it, you don't have to do anything, you could actually just start braiding with it. And yeah, so the first step is to remove the blunt ends like this by teasing the hair. This was actually recommended to me during a live video when I was doing this knotless braids on a live, and one of my subscribers suggested to tease the blunt ends so that way you don't have to continue to trim. And so that's what I did for the rest of the hair. So once you're done teasing, this is what it's going to look like. Try to separate it in two, and so you're going to start to just pull it out, put it back, pull it out, put it back like that. And you're going to use a brush to just brush it out. And yeah, so if you get some excess hair on the brush, you can always pick it out from the brush and rebrush it again. So yeah, once you're done brushing it, that's the first step. You can now start using it to braid. And yeah, so you don't have to straighten it, you can start to braid it right from the beginning like this. So we're attaching this braiding hair, this human hair, in this way. So this is my knotless technique. So once you make your box part, okay, you're going to split it in half. You're going to put the human hair in between her natural hair. This is going to keep the human hair in place so it doesn't slide out, because again, the texture is soft. And then you're going to proceed to braid normally about 1, 2, 3 times. And then you're going to start to split the hair into her natural hair like this. Split the right side, go over to the left, split the left side, go back to the right, tuck that in, go back to the left, tuck that in, and just like that you have your knotless braids without feeding in multiple strands, okay? And this is going to keep the human hair in her natural hair, and it's going to help it to last longer, and it's going to keep it secure so it doesn't come out or it doesn't slide out. And yeah, so once you braid all the way to the end, or well, almost the ends, because we're leaving some curls. Add some glue behind the braids just to seal the ends like this. Allow the glue to sit through, and then just trim off any straight strands, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much how you secure it. So with this, using the glue to secure it is going to stay even when you get in the water. You can swim with it. It's not going to come undone. And yeah, let me show you this technique again. So far, this hair from Ywigs is easy to braid with. It's soft, and her natural hair is also soft, so there's really no weight on this braid. These braids are super lightweight. You're going to see when I finish how she was just able to like put it up and hold it the same day of getting her hair braided. Like, there is no tension, it doesn't hurt, it's very soft, very lightweight. So if you are the type of person that don't want to feel too much hair on your head and you want braids that are light and braids that are natural looking and that will last a long time, then yeah, try this box braids with human hair. I'm going to leave the link to this hair in the description so you guys can check it out. But yeah, the hair is really nice, and I like that it doesn't curl up when you're braiding. Like, it stays straight because the texture is loose wave. So yeah, the texture is good for this, and it stays straight when you're braiding, and you can still get the curls on the ends. So yeah, now we are more than halfway, or should I say halfway? Yeah, but we're moving forward, and I'm just going to allow you guys to watch and enjoy the process. I'm going to do a middle part on her, so yeah, just watch and see how I finish it. So we are doing goddess braids with this human hair, but you can actually turn it into boho box braids, as you can see me doing. Like, you could pop some of the hair out to give it some curls, to give it like that boho vibe. And yeah, so this hair is super versatile. You can do boho box braids with this hair, and I'm pretty sure you can also do cornrows with this hair if you want to. So yeah, you could really just treat it like your hair and like attach it to your hair to do different type of braids, whether it's feeding braids or box braids or goddess braids. And you can also use it for locks, like goddess locks, and yeah, just like add some curls to your locks. So this hair is super versatile, and it's actually reusable as well. So yeah, this hair is reusable. To reuse it, I know that we use some glue to seal the ends, and the glue is very strong because we use crazy glue. Alright, so yeah, you may want to use some oil products like some coconut oil or black castor oil, and just like saturate where we added the glue to seal the braids. Like, really drench it with the oil and allow it to sit there for a while, and like, if possible, stay in allow some steam in the area, whether it's using a steam hood dryer. Just allow steam, or just sit in the shower, and like, it's okay to get it wet while the oil is on it, and with heat that will help you to be able to comb out the glue. But that would take time, and I don't know if you'll have the patience to do that. So, but that's people who, if you are on a tight budget and like you really want to reuse this hair, so that's the, yeah, if you want to go that route, that's what you can do to reuse it. But if you simply just want to take it down, all you have to do is just snip and cut off the glue area and just like take down the braids and unravel it normally like you would do your box braids. Like, it's really that simple. But yeah, so far I think this hair is great, and I think it's worth it, as you can see. So now we're moving on to the front. Okay, so now we are doing the front, and this is the middle part, and yeah, I love it. So even though we did the knotless technique this way, you're going to see that she's going to be able to put it up in a bun. And yeah, it's actually easy for her to put it up in a bun with this human hair than when I use my technique on like the synthetic box braiding hair. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and I'll show you guys the finishing touch and the finished look, so keep on watching. So now I'm adding some oil, I'm adding some spray oil to her scalp, and yeah, I love the hair. Guys, this hair is very soft, like it's so lightweight. This is the type of braids that I would wear because yeah, it's very easy for me to get like headaches from like heavy hair, and so yeah, I would totally rock this hair. And my head is small too, so, and her head is small. Like when you have a small head and you wear a lot of like braids and heavy braids on your head, like you will feel it more than somebody that have a big head, okay? But yeah, I trim it some more, just a little bit more. And ooh, the finished look, guys. Look at the braids. Look at the braids. There is no speed in this video. This is just the real natural speed of this video. Like, look at the braids. Like, my sis look fire. Look at her. Hey, look at my sister. I love it. I love that it's nice and soft and just like, it's giving like protective style. It's giving lightweight style. It's giving soft braids. It's giving I could wear my hair and I don't feel nothing. Like, it's giving tension free. Okay. So yeah, she absolutely loved the braids. And yeah, guys, check out this hair company. I'm going to leave the link to this hair in the description. Check them out, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah!